Hey guys, what's going on? This is Nick, and I'm gonna be introduction. I'm sorry. This is an introduction to C++. This is programming, pretty much. This is the fun stuff. Not that HTML and that isn't fun, but this is really fun. Now, go to Google. Now, in here, we'll type in right now. If you don't know what C++ is, it's a programming language. Pretty much, it's what people use today the most. They use a lot of C++. C++ is probably the most used language today. I'm not sure about that actually, but I don't know. You can, I don't know, people use it for business. You can do games with it. Can't do any graphics unless you have some add-on or like API with it. You can do ASCII art, which we'll get all into that later. Yeah, so you'll see what it is once the video's going on. I'm not really good at explaining it, but I know how to program really well. So we'll be looking for like a compiler or whatever, and we'll be using dev C++ 4.9.9.2, and then it should be on the Bloodshed website. I don't know, yeah, this is it. So then you would go here, and then you would go right here, 5, the beta, and then you go down, you say downloads, go to download page, click that, it'll come here, and then your requirements, SourceForge, the very first download with the puzzle pieces, click on that. It should take you to, SourceForge, and I don't feel like waiting, so direct link, and yeah, it'll show up down here. Do you want to run or save it, run it, etc. And then just click on it. When you're done, click on the application or .exe, and then it'll say like what it'll say? It'll say like create like a cache or whatever, stuff like that. Just click yes or whatever, and then you should have this set up. You should have this done. And all I'm going to be teaching you today is just how to set it up. I'm not going to be teaching you code today at all. That'll be next video. Yeah, next video. So in order to set up a project in dev C++ 4.9.9.2, go to File, New, Project. You could do source file, but then you'd have to. It's only the main.cpp, which we'll get into in a minute. You should always do project. So click project, click empty project, make sure it's on C++, type in setting up, or whatever you want. Or you don't even have to set anything up, just watch how to do it, and then click OK. Now, I'm going to go to my libraries, documents, game studio, blah blah blah. Now setting up, you want to save it in a folder. I'm saving it in the folder that I'm putting the videos on with. So save it, and you should see .dev. That's what you want to save it as, and this should be default, like saved it as .dev. You shouldn't have to change anything. Oops, just say first. I don't know, I'm just gonna put first. It isn't just the first project. Save, and oops, well, whatever. You see setting up. Now you're gonna want to right click it, select new file, and then that should come up. And just in case, click on the arrow and click on this. So now you're set up. Now you can start writing whatever you want. Yeah, we'll be getting into this stuff. This is what we're going to be doing next time. Or, you know what? Let me see how much time I have left. Well, yeah, I'm going to do it next time. So this is just how you set it up. If you want to repeat that again, file, new, project, empty project, name it, make sure this is C++ and not on C, because we were doing C. And then you'll need to include like conio.h and stdio.h and stuff like that. You don't want that yet. So do project name it whatever you want. Click OK, and you should say like save it wherever you want, and then it should have just this with a couple dots. Right click it, click new file, and this should come up. And if it doesn't, and just this comes up, click the plus sign right here. This should come up right here. Click the plus sign, and your file should come up. Double click it, and you're ready to write code. Thanks for watching. And the next video, I'll be showing you syntax, pretty much how you're going to set everything up every time. Not every time, because things might be different, but I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing for now. Thanks for watching. Rate and subscribe. And yep. See you guys later.